doing well and staying safe at home and living a healthy life. So in today's video, I'm going to share this look which I created today using only one brand makeup products, and this is the first video in which I have created a makeup look using only one brand makeup products, and the brand is NY Bay. So NY Bay is a very affordable brand and I am really obsessing over this brand. I am just loving this brand because they are affordable, they are providing a really good quality, quantity, and everything is so good. The formula, the products are very good. So yeah, I thought of making this video. So let me tell you, this is a non-sponsored video. I am not getting paid for this video. So yeah, that's it for the intro. Let's get started with today's video. So I'm going to start with my base, and for the base I have a concealer. So I'm going to do my base with the concealer only because I don't have a foundation of NY base. So as you can see, इसका हाल बहुत बुरा है, and I have a very little amount of this concealer now, and I saved this concealer for this video. Okay, so this is what my face is looking like right now. I'm going to use this beauty blender to blend my concealer. So all the products that I purchased of NY Bay are from purple.com, and I will drop the link of the purple.com in the description box, so you can shop it from there. Okay, so I'm all done with my concealer, and I have got the perfect base, like my regular base. I don't have a foundation, so I think if I would have a foundation from NY Bay, I would have applied it, but for now I am all done with the concealer. Moving on to the next product, I have this compact powder which is from, of course, NY Bay. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use this puff. I'm going to set my concealer. Such a good range. They are giving such a good compact powder which has a mirror. As you can see, I'm using this mirror only, and which has this puff which is very smooth. I literally like this puff, and you are getting such a good amount of compact powder at just 175 or 185. I don't remember the MRP exactly. So MRP जो है स्क्रीन पे कहीं विजिबल हो रही होगी, एंड इसी MRP पे मुझे ये कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर मिला है, एंड दिस इज़ रियली वेरी गुड. Okay, so this is what my face is looking like after using this compact powder. So talking about the shade number, so in this my shade number is 2, and its shade name is Tracky's Mohair Look. This is what the shade name is, and I really love this compact powder, and this has become one of my favorite compact powders. I used to love the Lakme one. I still use it. Lakme was the only compact powder that I own, and that was my favorite compact powder. And now I have replaced that compact powder with two compact powders. The one is the NY Bay, of course, and the second one is the Fit Me, Maybelline's Fit Me compact powder. I really like these two compact powders. And now moving on to the eyes. Yeah, eyes के लिए I have two kajals. The one is in the black shade. This is how the shade is. This is very pigmented, and the other is in white shade. This is how the shade looks like. So I'm going to use this black kajal on my eyelid. So now I'm going to use this brush which is from this Kellogg's Angel Key eyeshadow palette. I actually use these types of brushes for blending my kajals. So yeah, this is what I am going to do right now. You can see how perfectly this is blending my kajal. So yeah, that's the only reason why I use these types of brushes for blending my kajals on my eyelids. So now I'm going to use this brush only, and going to spread a little bit on my lower lash line.
Few inches later.
Now I'm using the other side of the brush and taking a compact powder on this and going to apply this on my eyelid. बिकॉज जो काजल है जब भी मैं अपनी आईज ऊपर ऐसे करूँगी तो ये स्प्रेड हो जाएगा ऊपर. सो लाइक यू कैन सी यहाँ पे स्प्रेड हो चुका है ऑलरेडी. तो टू अवॉइड दैट आई एम यूजिंग दिस. Okay, so yeah, I'm all done. And now I'm going to use this white kajal on my lower lash line. So now going to use this brush again and going to spread this. Going to actually blend it because I don't want any harsh lines here. I'm going to use this white kajal again on this inner corner. This looks really great. Okay, so I'm going to do this eye off camera and yeah, I'm all done. So I'm done with my eyes and I've also added mascara and also done my brows because I wasn't having any mascara or brow product from NY Bay. So when I was shopping from purple.com I was finding out a mascara from NY Bay but मुझे कोई mascara NY Bay का नहीं मिला. So I have applied another brand's mascara because I can't go without a mascara. Okay, so I literally loved it. So I'm going to use this eyeshadow which is Blinking eyeshadow in the shade Queen 7 and this is how this looks like. I just love this product. This is just for 100 rupees and you are getting a single eyeshadow in 100 rupees and that too of a really good quality and quantity. So yeah, a really big thumbs up for this one. I loved it so much that I have purchased another one of this. I have kept that in the giveaway. So yeah, we'll drop the link in of the giveaway post in the description box so you can participate. Yeah, I'm going to use this as a highlighter. Can you see the glow? I literally love this eyeshadow. I have no words for this eyeshadow. So yeah, applying this a little bit over here. I just love the glow. Highlighting my nose with this. NY Bay के highlighters आते हैं but I don't have any highlighter of NY Bay, so that's the reason why I am using this eyeshadow. It's looking like a highlighter and I literally loved it. Now I'm going to do my blush and उसके बाद I'm going to use this highlighter again, eyeshadow again. So for the blush I have this lipstick which is in the shade for the Windy 22. Okay, so this is the shade and I'm going to use this as a blush. So I don't like applying lipsticks directly on my cheeks. So this is what I do. I apply a little bit on my hand and I take a very little amount of this and just apply this over here. Now I'm going to take this beauty blender and will spread this all over my cheek. Just blend your blush perfectly. If you are using a lipstick, अच्छे से इसको blend करो blush को. Okay, so I'm done with my blush and now I'm going to use this eyeshadow again. I'm going to take this in a fluffy brush and I just love applying highlighter all over my cheeks. So I go crazy with highlighters. So yeah, never mind. Okay, so I'm all done. Just the lipstick is left. I'm going to do my lipstick, and for the lipstick I have two options. So this is how the shade looks like of this one. This is a perfect wine shade, a perfect red shade, but I'm not going to apply this one. I'm going to apply this. This is a nude shade and I totally love this shade. This is a nude shade, and yeah, I'm going to apply this on my lips. So yeah, I'm all done and I'm going to change and give you some beauty shots. That's it for this video. I will make sure to drop the links of the Purple app and all the products of NYB that I've used in this video in the description box, so you can check it out. And yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you liked the video and enjoyed watching it. And yeah, do let me know in the comment section about this look. कैसा लगा आपको? And also, if you want me to create such more videos, let me know in the comment section. I would love to do that. And yeah, that's it for this video. We'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.